5 Best Mop for Luxury Vinyl Floors Reviews.
Number 1. Bissell 20391 Silver Spinwave Plus. Finding a mop that is lightweight, easy to use, and, most importantly, compatible with vinyl flooring is a tiresome task. Fortunately, our editorial team found the best deal for you after thorough research. Bissell 20391. Its swivel cleaner head allows you to maneuver it in tight spaces like under furniture without any effort. So, tidying up every corner and giving a shiny look to your home is easier than you think. Remarkably, the Spinwave design has 2 counter-rotating microfiber pads. As a result, you can scrub your hard surface the way you do with your hand and knees. Number 2. Rejuvenate Click and Clean. Rejuvenate Click and Clean is our second pick for its ultimate cleaning efficiency, multi-surface compatibility, and ability to clean tight spaces. Its scrubbing pads let you remove sticky and stubborn messes and dirt efficiently without scratching the floor. On top of that, the 17 inches cleaning head captures and cleans dust 70% faster than other mops. The sweet feature of this Rejuvenate mop is its all-floors cleaner formula. You can use and pour the cleaning solution with the Click and Clean spray mop system. Now, brushing up every floor type including laminate, tile, and vinyl is effortless.
Number 3. Bona Stone, Tile, and Laminate Mop. At number 3, we bring Bona Mop as it is cost-effective, easy to use, and offers better controllability. The Bona Mop comes with reusable microfiber pads that you can wash up and use again and again. In return, you don't need to spend extra bucks by buying pads like other mops require. Cleaning the floor with this Bona Mop is effortless. It includes all the accessories like hard surface cleaner, high-quality spray mop, and microfiber pads. With these, you can effortlessly brush up any hard floorings. On top of that, the mist spray trigger allows you to spread the right amount of solution for minute cleaning. Number 4.24 inches Professional Microfiber Mop. We bring the 24 inches Professional Microfiber Mop at number 4 for its long durability and 360-degree swivel. The adjustable handle is made of stainless steel that gives a prolonged life to it. Besides, you can adjust the handle from 40 to 70 inches. As a result, cleaning high places is effortless with this mop. For efficient dusting, its microfibers are split, which means they have an extra clingy feeling. Afterward, the 360-degree swivel head makes it easy to maneuver to hard-to-reach areas. Now, brushing up under furniture and every corner of your home is effortless. Therefore, the washable microfiber pads offer you to use them again and again to reduce your cost. Number 5. Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. If you are on a budget but looking for a high-efficient mop, then microfiber mop is your best deal. Though the price of this mop is low, it doesn't sacrifice the mopping efficiency. Its 360-degree swivel head allows you to brush up tight spaces like under the couch or furniture. Besides, the lightweight design of this mop lets you carry it everywhere with ease. On top of that, the extendable handle allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas. For tackling large debris, it includes 2 scrubbing pads. On the other hand, 2 soft and refill pads are available to take care of delicate surfaces like vinyl. Therefore, this mop is compatible with every floor type. So, you can tidy up almost every surface, including laminate, vinyl, hardwood, and carpeted floor.